What's up, guys? Raze here with you again today. And as we watch the video coming out of Cartagena Club Delirium, as we see all the money falling from the sky, all I can ask is why, oh why? It seems to me guys do not mind paying more for things in life when they don't have to. This is why we see the money falling onto the beauties of Cartagena. The Cartagena forecast is calling for heavy downpours of dollar bills and increased raised rates. What's up, guys? It's Raze here with you today, and I'm here to discuss with you traveling out to South America, Colombia, traveling out to the Caribbean, Dominican Republic, because yes, the Dominican Republic and Colombia is now open to foreigners who want to fly in and enjoy the sun, enjoy all of the beautiful people, and enjoy the beautiful beaches that awaits. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, Raze, for updated travel news, entertaining travel information, very important safety tips when you are traveling out to the DR and you are traveling out to Colombia. So please subscribe to the channel, Raze. I'm Raze, and I'm out.